Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today is cruise day. Good morning, everybody. Today is the Harmony of the Sea series. It's the kicking off of this series. We are going to go ahead to Port Canaveral. We'll be boarding the ship. We're about leaving in like half an hour. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be an amazing trip over there. I'm so excited right now, if you guys can't tell. So let's begin that trip over there. Okay, we made it here to Port Canaveral. We're parking. Now we're gonna go on the shuttle and go to the ship. All right, everyone, we just checked in. Now we're boarding the Harmony of the Seas. Oh my goodness, here we go. Here we go. We're on board. Okay guys, so we just made it on board the beautiful Harmony of the Seas. I'm heading to the Windjammer to go get some lunch. Maybe the line will be really short, but I'll let you guys know. Let's go ahead to the Windjammer. Oh, we finally made it to the Windjammer. Let's go get a bite to eat. Okay, so I'm here at the Windjammer now. We're gonna get a bite to eat. Found a seat. Took us like half an hour to find a seat, but we got a seat, and we're gonna go get some lunch. Okay, guys, I just got a burger. They look pretty good. I mean, these look better than I had last time. Last cruise, they were a little undercooked, and the fries, they weren't exactly as good as this. These looks pretty good. Okay, everyone, so we just had lunch. It was pretty good. I mean, the burger was okay. It was pretty better. It was better than last year's cruise on Oasis. The fries, though, I didn't like them. They were like, there was a fish lips, which are downstairs over there. They're a little crunchy. I don't like them that great. But anyway, we're going to hit the flow rider now, so let's go to the flow rider. Okay, so I just did a few runs on the flow rider. It was very fun, a great time. We're gonna go ahead to the room now because it's 1 o'clock and the cabins are now available for us to go in. So let's go to the room. Okay, so we just went into the room, just checked it out. Pretty cool. I'm gonna be doing a room tour in another video, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'm gonna be heading up to the pool deck and go give you guys a look around the pool deck. Okay, well, I made it to the pool deck. I'm gonna go ride the Perfect Storm slide. Sadly, I can't take the GoPro on, but I want to show you the water slides, so let's do it. Okay, everyone, we just rode the water slides. They were very fun. It's almost time for muster, so we're gonna go ahead to muster. I'll see you then. Well, that wraps us up for Harmony of the Seas episode 1. Don't go anywhere, guys, because there is another episode coming real soon. And our next episode, we watch the sail away from Port Canaveral and go to dinner. Again, all that is coming up in the next episode of our Harmony of the Seas series. If you guys are new here, please hit the subscribe button because you do not want to miss any bit of this series. Anyway, I can't wait to see you for another video.